Do you want to edit Facebook Reels after posting? You can change the Facebook Reel caption and visibility setting and more once published with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Editing Facebook Reels after posting is the process of making changes to your Reels videos on Facebook once they have already been uploaded and published. This could include changing captions, tag someone, visibility settings, and more. To edit Facebook Reels after posting, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are in the Facebook newsfeed, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal line menu at the top right of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, it is at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile. On your Facebook profile, click on the Reels tab. If it is not visible, tap on More and select Reels. Scroll through your Reels and open the reel you want to edit. Once you open the Reel video, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Edit Reel from the options. From here, you can change or add a caption, mention someone, or change the visibility of this Reel video. Once you make the necessary changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit and update the caption of your Facebook Reel video.